Welcome. Hi guys, welcome to our channel guys, welcome to the channel guys. Today is Father's Day.
And your birthday.
Whose birthday?
You.
Me? Hi guys, welcome to our channel guys. How are you feeling? Are you having fun? No? Why?
I don't like my dress.
Let's see your dress. Let's see, who are you wearing? Who are you wearing? Are you wearing, oh, nice little lemons?
Try it again.
Aww. So we are at a steakhouse. It's raining outside. We sat inside, and
You didn't tell me, Mama.
there's Lucy right here. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, guys.
You're not even recording.
I am.
Mama, you told me you wanted your hair down, my love. Yes, you did.
And let's see, I'm gonna get the sopa jugo de carne. I'm gonna get a salad. Let me see. I'm gonna get probably get a flank, maybe a no. I'll get a New York. And then I'm gonna get, boudin de cauliflower. All right, we'll see how it looks when they arrive. All right. You like? You couldn't wait to eat your octopus, huh? You love it.
I made it kind of for you. You want to just chop it off?
Chop it off.
That's funny. And I got my steak. All right, let's try this bad boy. So Elise ordered a salmon with fries. But what happened?
Oh yeah, she fell asleep.
Huh?
She fell asleep.
She fell asleep. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, she's asleep. Happy birthday. All right.
After dinner, we decided to visit El Malecon, or the city center. But first, we must take a taxi there. Daddy's door.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's like this. It's good.
What do you need, Bubba?
Yeah. When we get out, like,
Yeah, we'll go for
get out.
Daddy's door.
Can I
Yeah.
eat now? There's just water.
Yes.
What? There's a church.
They have the same old bricks like our mother.
Bricks?
Uh-huh.
And the
Yeah.
church.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the church. Nice. This is a pretty church. That's a crown up there. Oh, let's go inside. Let's go look. Parroquia de Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe de Puerto Vallarta. Very nice. Let's go inside. Oh. Yeah, that would be nice to live here. Sunset.
What you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
Where's mommy? We gotta go. Lucy misses home. Elise. Elise misses home. That's a petty.
Guys, mommy did that before. Where the fish are hitting your feet. I couldn't even die. I did it when I was a grown-up.
It tickles.
I did it when I was a grown-up.
This is for love bugs. Boyfriend, girlfriend, newlyweds. Amazing. And of course, my beautiful Lucy. We made it.
To our destination.
We made it to our destination. Right there. Let's go look. That's a turtle. That's a buoy. It's a buoy. It's like a floating ball. I guess they got boat taxis in. So I'm eating fries. I got 2 fries left. And there's a bird
In the beach water for a minute,
watching me
Mom,
right there.
so I can get warmed up to come to you.
See it? He's waiting to be fed, I guess. I ain't got nothing for you, brother, unless you want ketchup.